some help?
I'll do it myself. Just go and find a new bulb, please.
Do you need some help?
I said I can fix it. Just leave me alone, please.
Jimmy?
Hi.
Oh my god!
Hi.
You've changed so much. Oh, what happened to your hand?
It's not serious injury. Just.
Okay.
Uh,
Oh, yeah.
Thanks.
You injured at work or?
No. I went rock climbing last week. Yeah.
Where?
You mean rock climbing?
Mm-hmm.
I went to France. Yeah. I went to Fontainebleau.
Come here. She's rattling. Your boss is so unkind. You should be resting.
Yeah, it's my employee, really. He suddenly couldn't come, and yeah, customer is the god.
Turn on the switch. You may as well leave the work to your staff in the future.
I just...
That looks great. Thank you so much.
He's very good at it, isn't he?
Yes. I've wanted that done for so long.
I know.
I'm delighted it looks like.
Oh, I'm happy that you're happy now. Is there any other bits and bobs you need?
Thank you very much.
I'm sure
Some money. Oh, here's your money. I think this is about right.
Thanks.
There you are. Thank you.
I'll show you to the door.
Yeah, sure.
She's my grandmother and she's been living in Scotland.
Oh,
So.
thanks. Okay.
Oh,
Bye.
are any of your staff by any chance available tomorrow? It's just, I actually need the plumbing fixed and I don't live far from here.
Actually, no. Sorry, I mean, they're busy. They don't have any spare time today, so...
No, it's okay. I'll figure something else out. I was just in case. All right, well, thanks.
Bye then.
Bye.
Dude, you're the only one who's ever been an actor. Yeah, I don't want this to blow up. Nah, I don't want Harry. He'll tell the boss. Jason? Man, I don't want to hear about Jason. 'Cause I work for him, and he wouldn't even pay for my work injury, and that insurance company keeps calling me. But what was I supposed to say? Dude, rock climbing was the best excuse. So what should I say? That I'm useless maintenance worker who got smashed by a billboard? Huh? Come on, Matthew. It's just a pipe. Piece of cake for you, I'll pay you. Two p.m. Yeah, the next day. Yeah, but she's nothing like she's used to be. She's become very gentle now.
Really? That's unimaginable.
Yeah, it was stupid to break up with her.
Oh, you still remember? Yep. Oh, have you come alone?
Yeah. No, sorry, no. Matthew, my guy, yeah, he's coming soon.
Oh, okay. Why don't you come in?
Thanks. Cool. You look gorgeous.
Oh, thank you. Oh, sorry. Be right back, sorry.
It's okay. Oh, you can make cookies now.
Yeah, but don't worry. They won't be as bad as they were last time.
Well, I'm used to that terrible taste. Don't worry.
I don't know about that.
Well,
Really?
I think so, yeah.
Oh,
Oh, that's him.
okay.
Who are you?
Okay, boss. Sorry I'm late.
Wait.
So, where's the broken plumbing?
Oh, it's the toilet. It's just round the corner.
I'll show him. This way. Where's Matthew?
So he said I was better qualified for the job and that I should come in.
Okay, so can you do this?
Jimmy, could you do me a favour?
Yeah, make sure you check that pipe and don't get the bathroom dirty.
All right, boss, will do.
You better.
Could you get some sugar for me? It's just in that cupboard over there.
Sorry. Some sugar.
Amazing. Thank you. Careful, boss.
Oh, sorry, this is a bit of
What?
flour too.
Oh, could you get it?
Yeah.
Actually, could you
Okay.
just tie my hair up? I've just got
Oh.
flour on my hands. It's just gonna get more
I
in
can
it.
try.
Is that okay? Just use.
Sure.
Thank you. Just like clip it. That's
See
it.
if I still remember.
I'm sure you will.
Well, I'm not sure because of this bloody hand.
That's it. Remember, just get it together, twist it, and then clip it at the top.
Yeah, I think I remember that. I
That's
like your hair though.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I grew it out quite a lot. Much longer now.
It's different.
Thank you. Perfect.
It's not easy.
Boss! I fixed it.
Jesus. Okay,
All
I'm
right,
gonna check it.
that's it. There, this way. Boss. The pipe, it's not broken.
What are you talking about? What about the shower head? Have you checked the hose on the shower head?
No, I haven't.
What's wrong with you? Come check it.
What's happened?
Nothing. We just need a wrench. Pliers.
Oh,
We just need the pliers.
Yeah. Okay.
Thanks. Look, I don't care how, but you fix it for me. And don't bother me again. Can I have some water?
Yeah, just in the kitchen.
I'll get it myself.
No worries.
This is actually the first time, right?
What?
That we can actually sit together, no fighting.
Yeah, we were arguing all the time.
I know. Well, I think it's my bad. You know, I'd work all the time and I never had time for you or anything. So, I'm sorry.
No, Jimmy, it wasn't your fault. Okay, it was mine. I can't imagine how difficult it was to be with me so moody all the time. I'm sorry.
Well, I'm happy I met you yesterday.
Yeah?
Oh, let me help you.
I added rum to the biscuits. I remembered it was your favourite.
Oh, really? Well, I'm sure it'll be great.
Shit!
Move, get out. Get out. Fuck the plumbing. Fuck the plumbing. Do you know how expensive this shit is?
What do you want me to do about it?
Why can't you fix a fucking plumbing?
You hired me as a fucking actor. I don't know the first thing about fucking
What
plumbing.
about my suit? What about my suit? I can't afford it.
I'm not your fucking mother, for Christ's sake. Jesus Christ.
Bullshit fucking actor. You ruined fucking
I
everything.
am not playing this
You're-
little pretending game of yours. This
What
fucking
pretending?
dating game
You
is
were meant
all.
to fix
No,
the
that's
fucking
like a bullshit.
That's fucking rubbish.
No,
No,
that
no, no,
is
no,
bullshit.
no,
You
no,
have
no,
me
no,
coming.
Up! Just shut the fuck up! I'm so sick of this shit. Oh, you two, you ruined everything. I spent ages preparing for this. You fucked it up. You know what? Fuck you and fuck you. What is this fucking water pipe have to break now?
Wow. Nice performance.
Shut up!
Don't move.
Easy.
Do you want to get infected again? Why are you so careless all the time?
I didn't get injured on purpose, did I? Do you want? I wanted that billboard to fall down.
Well, instead of complaining here, maybe go to your boss, ask for compensation.
I went there, wouldn't give me any money.
Are you an idiot? You should have rushed straight into his office with the work injury report, and you tell him in a loud voice that you have employee insurance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What then?
Well, if he disagrees, you just lift up his desk and you're gonna give him 2 punches. Just.
Yeah, how? My hand hurts.
Are you a nerd? Can't you use the other hand? You just do it like I taught you. Remember, you just punch. Right?
Easy.
Oh, come on.
Just be gentle.
I hardly touched you.
Hardly. It wasn't hardly touching me.
Barely touched
It's
you,
painful.
honestly. It's
I
not
made it.
painful. I'm trying to help you.
Well, just don't go crazy then.
Stop being such a baby. Always whining.
Just go easy.
Stop
easy.
whining. Oh my
I'm not
god.
whining.
Yes, you are.
See, that's better. That's better.
Oh, is it better?
Yeah, much better.
Satisfaction, is it?
Kind of, yeah.